Pop the hood, check the dipstick, and the oil looks pitch black. A week earlier, it was clear and golden. Your first thought is wasted money or a bad mechanic. The reaction is common, but the color shift isn't the threat people assume. Dark oil often means the system is working, not failing. The myth that clean oil must stay clean has been repeated for years, helped by commercials showing clear fluid pouring in slow motion. Real engines don't operate in that fantasy. Oil isn't there only to lubricate. It cleans, cools, seals, and shields metal. Cleaning creates dirt in the oil, just like mop water gets dark when the floor is actually being cleaned. If the mop water stayed clear, nothing was being removed. Same rule applies inside an engine. What actually darkens the oil is the normal fallout of combustion. Engines never burn fuel with perfect efficiency. Unburnt fuel, carbon, and gases leak past piston rings into the crankcase. That blowby contains microscopic soot. The oil traps it. That suspended soot is what makes the oil turn black. If the oil didn't trap it, the carbon would bake onto pistons, valves, and cylinder walls, building sludge and hard deposits. So the dark color signals that contaminants are being captured instead of settling on metal. Modern oils carry detergents, dispersants, antioxidants, and anti-wear additives. Detergents scrub metal surfaces. Dispersants keep dirt floating instead of clumping. Additives keep the oil stable under heat. The stronger these additives are, the faster the oil darkens. Premium synthetics often turn black early because they are aggressive cleaners. Diesel engines take this to an extreme. Their combustion produces heavy soot, so diesel oil goes black almost instantly. Gasoline engines run cleaner, but older engines, or those with worn rings, also darken oil faster due to increased blowby. Turbo engines run hotter, which speeds up oxidation and darkening. Short trip driving adds moisture and fuel vapors that mix with soot and deepen the color. Even high-quality synthetics darken sooner because they lift more deposits. Heat plays its part. Oil lives in temperatures around 200 degrees. Heat oxidizes the fluid, and oxidation darkens it over time. Additives that neutralize acids also change color in the process. Darkness isn't always dirt. Sometimes it's chemical reaction. There are cases where black oil signals trouble. Thick, tar-like consistency means sludge from skipped changes or bargain oil. Metallic shine means internal wear. Milky appearance points to coolant contamination. Burnt smell means overheating or cooked oil. In these conditions, the color is a symptom of a real issue. Oil that turns black quickly isn't always a warning. Many engines that darken oil early stay cleaner internally because the oil is constantly absorbing contaminants before they stick. Engines that keep oil looking clean for too long often have heavy deposits hidden inside. Clear oil on a dipstick can mislead. Different engines behave differently. Older motors allow more blowby. Turbos run hotter. Poor fuel quality produces more carbon. Short trips build moisture. Weak filters let more debris circulate. Each factor speeds up darkening. Comparing your oil color to someone else's car is useless. Compare it to your own engine's pattern. If the oil darkens fast, the response is simple. If the level is stable, the engine sounds normal, and there are no warning signs, the oil is doing its job. Check texture and smell instead of judging color alone. Follow the manufacturer's interval instead of wasting money on premature changes. Use quality oil and filters. Take longer drives occasionally so moisture burns off instead of mixing with soot. Black oil becomes a problem only when maintenance is neglected. Skip changes, low-grade filters, and ignored leaks destroy engines, not dark color. The darkening itself is the result of combustion, heat, and detergents pulling debris off metal surfaces. It isn't a failure state, it's routine chemistry.